What's going on, guys? It's Greg. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be cooking some pork tenderloin. Alright, the first thing we're going to do with this pork tenderloin is we're going to get some Jim Beam honey whiskey, bourbon whiskey. We're just going to put a little bit on there. Just get it nice and lathered. Do it on the other side, just a little bit. And after that, we're going to get our Blue Hog sweet and savory rub and put a nice coat of that on. Make sure to get all four sides, pat it in. Alright, then we're going to get that charcoal grill cranked up to about 300 degrees. Alright, now we got the tenderloin all seasoned and it's inside marinating. We're going to get these charcoals nice and lit. Get them nice and red hot. I like to make sure they have a nice little white coat on it. I got these little metal pieces at the bottom that we're going to use. And we're just going to throw that on. Just like that. And once them charcoals get nice and white, then they're ready to start cooking. Alright, now these charcoals are ready to come off. Whew, hot. I'm just going to put it all on one side. You don't want to put them in the middle, you want to put them on the side. Make sure everything's out. Alright, now we got it in there. I'm just going to scoot them over. Alright, we're going to put top grate on. Get this top grate. We're going to put this top grate on. Put this lid on. We're going to let it get up to temperature, about 275 to 300, and then the meat's ready to go on. Alright, now that everything's up to temperature, about 300 degrees, set this down. And I'm going to grab 2 chunks of Weber pecan wood. And I'm going to throw it right on top of that charcoal. Let those catch on fire, give it that nice smoky flavor. And then it's time for the meat. I'm gonna grab this piece of meat and I'm gonna put it on the cool side, the side where the charcoal is not, so it's not in direct heat. It is indirect heat, sorry, not direct heat. That's how we're gonna wanna set up. And we're gonna put this lid back on until the temperature gets back up, till the temperature of the pork gets up to 130, 135. Then we'll come back, check on it in about 40 minutes. Alright, now we got this tenderloin at 130 degrees. It's looking really good. Take this off. What we're going to do is we're going to put this skillet right here over the charcoal. We're going to come over here. We're going to do half a cup of maple syrup. Doesn't matter the brand. Let's just do half a cup. Alright, pour that in there. Alright, then we're going to do half a cup of your maple bourbon. As so. Then we're going to do 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Do 1/4 cup brown sugar. It's alright, if you spill some, it's alright. Alright. Do a little bit more because some of it's stuck. Alright. And then after that, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of ground cinnamon over the top. All right. Then we're gonna let that get to a nice boil. Once it starts boiling a little bit, we're gonna marinate it and keep marinating it every 5 minutes until the internal temperature of that pork tenderloin hits 140. All right, now that that sauce is sitting there bubbling, sizzling, it's time to marinate it. And we're gonna marinate it every 5 minutes until that internal temperature of this tenderloin hits 140. We can marinate it good. It smells real good. Get the sides. Oh yeah, get this little dry piece right there. All right, and I'll be back in 5 minutes to put another coat on. All right, it's been another 5 minutes. I'm gonna stir this up, put another coat on. It's looking really good. That cinnamon really sets it out. Smells like you're inside of a bakery right now. But this is what you want. You want it to be nice and thick and sticky with that syrup, and gives it that good. It's gonna caramelize on top. It's gonna be super good. All right, I'm gonna check this internal temp real quick. All right, I think this sits for 5 minutes and it's good to come off. All right, it's been another 5 minutes and this thing's ready to come off the grill. This looks perfect. Oh yeah. It's a good old piece of meat. All right, we're gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes. Let it settle, rest, and then we'll break into it. All right, it's time to rip into it. It's been sitting for about 5-10 minutes. And it just cuts like butter. Cut this piece, cut me a little sliver right here. Oh yeah. Try a little piece. Yep, that's money. It's so good. I mean, it's juicy. It's got that nice caramelized on the outside. Great flavor. I mean, it's amazing. It's super good. All right, guys, and that's it. That's how I make my pork tenderloin honey maple bourbon. And that is amazing. Look, these flies are trying to get a piece too. Get them out of here. All right, guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all don't mind, watch my previous video. And if you don't mind, go ahead, like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Appreciate y'all.